All right, guys, today we're gonna be checking out this nylon Apple Watch band. Here's what comes in the pack. We got very nice Apple Watch band. So if you see more bags, these are very well made. I can feel it. If you see here, these are super well made, nice, thick nylon. So it has nice buckles for your watch. They conform to your wrist, so they're very comfortable. Same here, 304 stainless steel, double nylon, so you know they're not gonna break. They're breathable, they're hard, rugged, so they're breathable. You can use them on your outdoor activities. They're quick dry, so if you go camping or you go to the beach or you go anywhere to the pool, you can rest assured when you jump in, once you come out, they will dry quickly. Breathable for all your sports, any sport that you play. They're comfortable. I love this kind of band, the nylon bands. They're compatible with a wide range of Apple Watches, the 42, 46, 42, 43, 46 regular watch, and then the 49 millimeter ultra watch, 1, 2, 3. Definitely light, so they're not like heavy bands. Like the one I have right now is pretty heavy, but it's rubber. This one is really nice and light. It looks super cool. This is military green. It comes in different colors. I love this type of band because you can wear them all the time, and they're super light and they're very durable. You can adjust it all the way. It has multiple holes, so you can adjust it to your wrist size. It's not limited to just a few ones. They have a whole bunch that you can find to be comfy. So this is how it looks on my wrist. Super nice, very light, looks cool. So if you're looking for a band for your watch, very convenient, strong, rugged, light, well made. The stainless steel, definitely recommend it. Go air yours. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.